Let's be real. Getting good grades in school doesn't just happen overnight. It's not about cramming the night before a test or pulling an all-nighter once in a while. The students who consistently get top marks usually have strong habits they follow every single day. And the best part? These are habits you can build too. It's not about being naturally smart, it's about building routines that help you stay ahead. So today, I'm breaking down 10 habits every student should have if they want to get good grades. Habit 1. Have a consistent study schedule. Don't just study when you feel like it. Because let's be honest, sometimes you'll never feel like it. Instead, set a routine where you study at the same time each day. It doesn't have to be hours long. Even just one solid, focused hour every evening makes a huge difference over time. It trains your brain to focus, and you'll find it easier to remember information when you're studying regularly instead of randomly. Consistency beats last-minute stress every single time. Habit 2. Take good notes in class. Notes are your lifeline. You don't need them to look like a Pinterest aesthetic board, but they should be clear and organized enough that you understand them later. Use headings, bullet points, and highlight key terms so the important stuff stands out. If your teacher explains something in a way that finally makes sense, jot it down right away. Good notes save you hours of confusion later, especially during exams. Think of them as your personal study guide that you're creating little by little every day. Habit 3. Review your notes daily. This is the #1 habit that separates top students from average ones. Instead of waiting until the exam period to open your books, take 10 to 15 minutes every day to quickly go over what you learned. It doesn't have to be a full study session. Just a quick refresh so your brain keeps the information fresh. You'll be shocked at how much easier revising feels when you've been reinforcing your knowledge daily instead of letting it pile up. Habit 4. Ask questions and participate in class. Don't just sit quietly if you're confused. Chances are, half the class doesn't understand either. Asking questions not only clears up your doubts, but also shows your teacher that you're paying attention. And when you speak up, you're more likely to remember the explanation because you were actively involved. Participation doesn't have to mean talking all the time either. Even making eye contact, nodding, or taking notes when your classmates ask questions keeps you engaged and helps the information stick. Habit 5. Stay organized with assignments and deadlines. Write everything down. Use a planner, a homework app, or even just sticky notes. Nothing drags your grades down faster than forgetting assignments or missing deadlines. If you can keep track of what's due and when, you'll always stay ahead. A little organization saves you from last-minute panic and lets you focus on doing quality work instead of scrambling to finish something you forgot about. Habit 6. Prioritize the hard subjects first. Most of us avoid the subjects we don't like: math, science, whatever your weak spot is. But when you put those off, they pile up and stress you out even more. Get into the habit of tackling them first, while your brain is fresh. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but once you get through the harder tasks, everything else feels easier. And honestly, it's the best feeling to know you've already handled the toughest part of your workload. Habit 7. Limit distractions while studying. Your phone, social media, Netflix, all of it will still be there later. When it's time to study, put your phone on silent, keep it away from your desk, or even use an app timer if you have to. Focused study time gets the work done so much faster than half studying and half scrolling. Try the out of sight, out of mind trick. If your phone isn't near you, you won't be tempted to check it every 5 minutes. Habit 8. Practice with past questions and exercises. Don't just read your notes over and over again. Test yourself. Doing practice questions, past papers, or even making your own quizzes will show you exactly what you know and what you don't. That way, you're not surprised when the real exam comes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel, because you're training your brain to recall information under exam conditions. Habit 9. Use planners or to-do lists. Your brain isn't meant to remember 100 things at once. Write them down. A simple to-do list every morning helps you stay on track and gives you that little boost of motivation when you start checking things off. And the best part? When you see all your tasks written out, It feels way less overwhelming. You can break them down into smaller steps and actually get things done without burning out. Habit 10. Study in a clean, dedicated space. Your environment matters more than you think. If your desk is full of snacks, clothes, and random junk, your brain will find it hard to focus. Set up a clean spot where you only do schoolwork. It doesn't have to be fancy, just tidy and distraction-free. That way, whenever you sit there, your brain automatically knows it's time to focus. Over time, that space becomes your productivity zone, and you'll notice how much easier it is to get into the study mindset. So there you have it, 10 habits that, if you stick to them, will definitely boost your grades. And remember, it's not about being perfect or studying 24/7. It's about creating small habits that add up over time. Start with 1 or 2 of these, build them into your daily routine, and watch how much easier school starts to feel. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more school tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!